one-click selection of intelligent welding parameters, automatic matching of oscillation amplitude frequency, and wire feed speed. 9 core technological breakthroughs for an efficient and intelligent welding experience. Wire field fuse deep aluminum sheet 5 mm. Can weld 5 mm of aluminum, 6 mm of stainless steel and 6 mm of carbon steel.
Low energy transmission losses, integrated design of the whole machine.
Smooth overall operational fit. High photoelectric conversion rate. High beam quality with small core diameter technology. Real-time linkage of the wire feeder to the mainframe. Easy to use, even for novices. No manual adjustment of welding and wire feeder parameters. Sync to mobile, intelligent selection. True continuous handheld welding. Long-term use, no heat, no stoppage, dual-circuit refrigerant cooling technology. Changing traditional cooling methods and single circuits. Precise control of the temperature range to which the optical elements are adapted. Better environmental adaptability. Pioneering adaptive power compensation repair function. Continuous use over the life cycle. No deterioration of the welding effect. Long working hours. Handle does not get hot. Heat insulating material to prevent damage from the heat of the torch. Heat insulating material to prevent damage from the heat of the torch. All-in-one armor cable, much more stable. Fiber optic collimated input, high transmission efficiency, no energy loss. Energy efficient, green and environmentally friendly. Protection of workers' health, low dust, splash proof.